lot of people cannot work with Salman Khan.
He's never questioned me also. यार ये पिक्चर कर लेते हैं यार, ये तू कर यार ये पिक्चर, मतलब उसको कहानी नहीं सुनानी होती.
What is the one thing that you would like to advise Varun's generation and the after generation कि क्या हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए एक्टर?
देखो क्या, सबसे पहले तो एक एक्टर आज की जनरेशन जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, आपने पिक्चर को हाँ बोला ना तो उसको ईमानदारी से बनाने दो. Don't finger the bloody thing in while making में.
Do you see any similarity between Varun and Govinda Salman?
Salman being a good looker also.
Yeah,
you know,
very
so you
good.
can't touch his personality is something. वो कैमरा के वॉक करके भी आएगा, you know, एक चार्म था. And Govinda is a very fine actor.
Yeah.
Give him any scene he can do.
So today, what does it take for David Dhawan to come out and say, I will direct this film?
मैं जब फिल्म करता हूँ, I don't know if my son, my family, they come second. First is my work.
So you've seen this industry go through so many changes. अभी देखो suddenly Rakesh Bedi is back.
He has worked in a lot of film of mine.
Yeah.
आता है वो करके, इसमें भी है. तो मैंने उसको बोला, 50 साल तेरे को नहीं पहचाना, अब जाके तेरे को प्लेस करता है, क्या नहीं करता है. ये very fine actor.
TV actor था.
He was always a good actor.
He was always a very good actor. That's true.
मैंने कहा यार तू,
We grew up on ये जो है जिंदगी, which used to come on TV.
अभी तू 70 साल क्रॉस कर रहा है तू, और अब तू तेरे को रिकॉग्निशन मिल रहा है.
Yeah. David sir, welcome to Bollywood Hangama.
Yeah.
Always been a fan of your films. Sir, हम लोग आपकी फिल्में देख के बड़े हुए. We were a very giving audience also and receiving audience also. आप जुड़वा के फर्स्ट सीन में ना एक बच्चा ऐसे पलटता है और वो ट्रेन ट्रैक पे भी पलटता है. हम लोग ताली बजा के खुश होके बाहर आते थे, कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं करते थे ये कैसे हुआ, क्यों हुआ. Today the audience is questioning everything. How are you changing with these times?
See, little क्या होता है, conviction filmmaker का होता है.
जी.
If I'm showing something like that, I believe it is.
Yeah.
See, there are a lot of examples to it. It's not me. This started with Manmohan Desai films.
Yeah.
He's the biggest guy, you know, he's been my guru basically. And if you are talking of how things happened, that time in Amar Akbar Anthony, what he
Blood
did,
का scene,
you know, all
transfusion
that.
का, yeah.
And they were talking. Amit ji है, चिंटू जी बोले कि मन क्या कर रहा है ये सब. You know what he said? He said जब ये लगेगी ना audience में, ये सीन आएगा ना, सबसे ज्यादा क्लैप यहीं पड़ेगी. देखो.
That's true, but yeah, वही हुआ.
तो इमोशन जो ऐसी चीज है कि, तो अभी क्या फिल्म मेकर का कन्विक्शन तो होना चाहिए. बट डेफिनेटली अभी हम लोग लॉजिक ज्यादा ढूंढते हैं कि हाउ टू ब्रिंग अ सीन. तो डेफिनेटली नॉट लाइक अर्लियर टाइम्स था, बट it's a maker, you know, who's I made films like that. When I think of a scene, there are questions. Actors ask me, ये यार डेविड तेरे को नहीं लग रहा है ये वो. मैंने कहा लग रहा है, मगर तू अगर कन्विंसिंग एक्टिंग करेगा तो पब्लिक बिलीव करेगा. बिलीवेबिलिटी उसी को है.
It has to be a combination of a solid actor and a good.
सब मेरे साथ यही है, बिना अच्छा एक्टर के साथ मैं काम ही नहीं कर सकता. सेट मतलब शॉट लेते ही मैं मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड ये गड़बड़ कर दिया इसने, मतलब ये हो नहीं सकता. एक्टर ही तो बहुत मीडिया ही एक्टर का है एक्चुअली. सामने स्क्रीन के तो वो रहता है. सो हाउ वेल ही डज इट, एंड आई एंजॉय इम्प्रोवाइजेशन. मैं सीन दे दिया, सीन यही रहेगा, बट हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू से, तो हर तरीके से दे सकते.
एंड दैट्स वेयर एक्टर्स लाइक गोविंदा एंड ऑल केम, जो खुद इम्प्रोवाइज करते थे.
बहुत किया हम लोग ने तो यार. मतलब मैंने 17 फिल्में की है.
17 फिल्में गोविंदा का किया है. करेक्ट.
मतलब वो गेम ही अलग है.
राइट सर, टुडे व्हाट डज इट टेक फॉर डेविड धवन टू कम आउट एंड से आई विल डायरेक्ट दिस फिल्म, क्योंकि आपने तो इतना कुछ अचीव भी कर लिया है.
या नाउ मतलब अभी मतलब ये है कि मेरे घर वाले भी हैं, बच्चे भी बोले नाउ दिस इज योर लास्ट फिल्म, नाउ यू कांट डू मोर देन दैट, व्हाट यू डू. आई सेड लिसन, आई विल डू, इफ आई हैव टू डू आई विल डू. मतलब आई हैव टू बी विद माय शूज till I'm alive. That is the thing. And when I work now, I make a film for myself. मतलब कि ये है ना, पब्लिक के लिए तो बनाना, मतलब मेरी मेन जो है ना, जो डिस्कशन है कि मैं जब फिल्म करता हूँ, आई डोंट नो माय सन, माय फैमिली, दे कम सेकंड. फर्स्ट इज माय वर्क. तो और मेरा क्या होता है, व्हेन आई मेक अ फिल्म और पिक्चर नहीं चलती कई बार, एवरीबॉडी हैज लॉ ऑफ एवरेज है, एंड आई लुक एट माय सेल्फ एंड आई टॉक यार व्हाट डिड आई गो रॉन्ग, डिड आई मैंने कुछ मतलब बेईमानी की, यू नो बहुत है ना. आपकी पिक्चरें हिट होती है, उसके बाद जो अगली नहीं चलती बिकॉज ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाता है,
हाँ
वो ऑलवेज मरता है आदमी वहीं पे।
हाँ
तो आई सेड आई हैव डन माय बेस्ट, सो हिट नहीं है, फ्लॉप है, फ्लॉप भी मेरी है।
Right,
So,
right. So, Varun's generation is still the generation that, has a lot of principles.
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
मैं, मेरे डैड ने मुझे सिखाया किसी और का पैसा लगा है.
Yeah.
What is the one thing that you would like to advise Varun's generation and the after generation कि क्या हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए एक्टर
देखो
को?
क्या है, सबसे पहले तो एक एक्टर आज की जनरेशन जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, आपने पिक्चर को हाँ बोला ना, तो उसको ईमानदारी से बनाने दो। डोंट फिंगर द ब्लडी थिंग इन व्हाइल मेकिंग में, मतलब एंड डोंट बी इनसिक्योर्ड। एक एक्टर और भी होगा क्या, ठीक है, डोंट गेट इनसिक्योर्ड, इट्स ओके। नहीं फिर बोलेगा नहीं इसका सीन ऐसे कर देते हैं, कर देते हैं, पिक्चर अच्छी नहीं बन सकती। यू डू इट विद कॉन्फिडेंस यार।
राइट, और आपने तो 2 हीरो कितनी की है, गोविंदा, सलमान, संजय दत्त, सबको लेके,
मतलब एवरीबॉडी, मतलब
तो वहाँ कभी इनसिक्योरिटी का स्कोप ही नहीं था?
नहीं, होता है कई बार, होता है, हल्के फुल्के होता है, एक्टर्स का है, थोड़ा बहुत होता है, बट नॉट, but generally when I have worked is I have handled them very well.
Right, you have handled them.
How your filmmaking actually in Bombay, India जो है ना, is how you handle an actor.
हाँ,
that is
एक
a
art
director's art. वो major है.
Yeah.
When you work with 2 actors,
हाँ.
definitely when there are some actors they might not getting along. How do we know? But how do you when you're working, how you handle? If you ask me, I've never had a problem. I had to handle somewhere or the other, but it has been very good. Yeah.
Right. So what you said exactly 3-4 days ago, I interviewed Akshay Kumar and he said the same thing. He said, अगर हाँ बोल दिया पिक्चर को, then you go till the end.
Yeah, you should then back it. You should be कंधा पूरा लगा के आप रहो.
लगा, right.
Because see, the producer also, he's put on money, he's done things, उसको कैसे तक, don't put him in the problem.
Correct.
तो वो आया या और वही सोच रहा है क्यों बना रहा हूँ पिक्चर में, don't give that thing.
Don't give that thing.
You have to, देखो hit flop बात की बात है, but you should enjoy the journey.
Right. So in fact, Varun was sharing a story that, when you were not well, you're not keeping well, Varun flew down. He left a film and came back, but you told him कि पिक्चर छोड़ के आ गया, वापस जा next morning.
I sent him off.
You sent
I
him.
said I'll become okay, yaar. So, but he's very caring, yeah. I swear on me, as a kid,
Yeah, of
when
course.
I've not been well, he's come to the hospital. He used to stay in the hospital the night. And I said, go back. No, Dad, I'm here. And he knew every actor, every actor, every doctor who was looking after me. He 1-to-1 on the phones.
Wow.
Now, how's his parameters? ये कैसा है? How's his diabetic count? मतलब हर चीज, he knows. अभी भी मतलब he'll call me up. मतलब घर पे भी if I'm not better, he'll come over. If I'm sleeping also, he'll come and see me. Mom says, okay.
So sweet. So it's the upbringing also.
That is
my
wife.
Both of you. Yeah.
That is more my wife. She has really looked after both the kids.
That's true.
Rohit and that's how the family is.
Right. So you've directed Varun earlier also.
Yeah.
कुछ change आया है या कुछ अलग लगता है इस बार?
So he's become a professional now actually. अभी मतलब जिसको बोलते गए, you give him any role he can do. I know this much is that he works on it, does his homework and all. He's become an actor now. I feel he's अभी जिसको बोल दिया भीड़ में छोड़ दिया जो करना, and he's worked यार.
Yeah,
like his last film, I found him so good. That was Border 2.
Border 2, yeah.
How much
he was very good.
Me crying. I found him excellent. I said.
He was very good.
What he was on the roll like that. First time he's doing.
In fact, he silenced a lot of people after that film was released. Yeah.
Brilliant work. Yeah.
Right. So जब first look आता है आजकल सब there are a lot of people who look into it कि AI से बनाया है ये सब.
Yeah, because of this that teaser.
That teaser that came out.
It's like a teaser and there's no AI in the film, and it's got nothing to do. It's just when we were making a टीजर दिखाया मुझे, ये वो थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा मुझे, चलो, अदरवाइज मैंने कहा इस पिक्चर का टीजर आया नहीं, क्या आएगा, सीधे ट्रेलर आएगा, समझे ना फिल्म. सो इट वाज दैट, इट्स गॉट नथिंग टू डू, मतलब के काम का वो देखती ये भी है, एंड इससे टेक्निक अभी नहीं, 5 साल बाद तो इट विल बी कमिंग है अब्रॉड में जैसे हर जगह है, बट इट्स ओके, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
राइट. दीज आर द थिंग्स, पहले आपको ये सब की बारी होती नहीं थी कि ट्रोलिंग हो गई, एआई आ गया.
बट देखो क्या है, ये जो ट्रोलिंग है ना, आजकल किसी को एक फोन है ना, वो भी ट्रोल कर सकता है.
कहीं भी बैठा हुआ.
ये इन्होंने पिक्चर भी नहीं देखनी होगी, they are talking, but it's the audience who goes in the theater and
Right.
sees now. I believe in them.
Right.
Definitely. देखो पिक्चर अच्छी होगी तो आप उसको you can't pull it down.
Correct.
You know,
True.
so
Ultimately,
that is more important. Ultimately, the film will speak.
Right. है जवानी ये सलमान के गाना
है,
टाइटल
मेरी
है, आपके फिल्म का गाना है, बट काफी कंपैरिजन होते हैं वरुण के भी गोविंदा के साथ, सलमान के साथ. हमने भी बहुत आर्टिकल्स लिखे थे कि ये नया गोविंदा है. Is it unfair also to an actor like Varun that we straight away compare him to legends? All
देखो, that is his job, to how is he compared. He'll overcome it. He's performing. He's a disciplined actor also. That's very important today. You're disciplined. And he's become choosy also to pick up a film today. He's not that कि पहले कर लेता था. He said, Dad, I don't want to do it. I'll do a film which I feel I have done. Something नया हो. So everybody goes through it. सलमान के बारे में पहले कितना बोला जाता था, ये बोलता.
अभी भी बोला जाता है.
हाँ, बोला जाता. But he's an excellent guy. I've worked with him. Maximum I've worked with him. I have the best journey with him. You know that.
True, but what is it, sir, that you know, a lot of people cannot work with Salman Khan. They cannot get him on a set. What is this friendship that you have?
We are on fire together and we love to work, अभी भी मुझे उस दिन मैं शूटिंग कर रहा था, ये भी था, उधर आया, फिर मेरे को मिलने आया, बोला डेविड यार कुछ करे यार, अभी ये करते हैं. He's always, but he's never questioned me also. यार ये पिक्चर कर लेते हैं यार, ये तू कर यार ये पिक्चर. मतलब उसको कहानी नहीं सुनानी होती. And something, I'll tell you one thing. He's done films with me where he's the hero, but the other role was better than the other hero ka. He's never even questioned. My son told me one day, well, Papa, he works with you, he'll do anything for you.
How nice,
And when our picture finished also, so he'll come and tell me, यार इसमें मेरा कुछ guess नहीं देगा तू कुछ, like that it is.
Wow, that's
Anytime I can call him and I can shoot with him for this film also. No, he is, and he loves my children.
Yeah. Do you see any similarity between Varun and Govinda Salman? Do you see any similarity?
So similarity to, see, he's a young dude. Now, all that. So these kind of actors, obviously they are different actors. Salman being a good looker also.
Yeah, very
you
good.
You can't touch his personality is something. वो कैमरा के walk करके भी आएगा, एक that charm था. And Govinda is a very fine actor. Give any scene he can do. मतलब भूल जाओ वो scene को. आप गंदा सीन लाओगे ना उसको, वो रेसल में बैठेगा, ठीक करेगा, करते करते उसको अच्छा हिट सीन बना देगा. But he's that caliber.
That's what made these people, right? क्योंकि काफी लोग criticize करते हैं क्योंकि ये टाइम पे नहीं आता था, ये सब चीजें.
टाइम पे नहीं आता, टाइम पे खत्म करता था काम. कभी नहीं हुआ है. नहीं, he used to always finish his work. वो लेट आए तो क्या हो गया, But the day I want him early also, he used to come. I used to be, you must, आ जाएगा, आ जाता हूँ. Never, I have not had any, मतलब सर देखो, अगर 17 फिल्म ऐसे ही बना सकता है कोई?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
17 तो ये लोग पिक्चर नहीं बना सकते. 17 तो एक एक्टर के साथ नहीं बना.
That's true. And you shot outdoor with Sanjay Dutt, Salman.
अरे सब. Sanju's a darling. Sanju का तो मतलब every time I tell him that. See, when I was editing Naam, so he was there. He used to come to the editing all the time. David became very friendly also. And one day he tells me that, why don't you direct a film? I said, direct? How will I direct? Somebody has to give me, na? You edit so well, for you. If somebody has to, you know what he said? You got it. I'm doing a film for someone. And now tomorrow I'll call him. I said, I want to do your film on condition that David is the director.
Wow.
He sent me that guy. That is my connection. Till now it is like that.
Amazing. But he was also that involved कि वो edit भी देखने आता था नाम में?
नाम में आ जाता था. महेश भट्ट के साथ भी उसका अच्छा था.
बहुत अच्छा था. Correct.
All that, and he used to come. And नाम में he's performed also very well.
Right. So you've seen this industry go through so many changes. अभी देखो suddenly Rakesh Bedi is back. धुरंधर
राकेश बेदी
आपके साथ FTI में थे?
मेरी उसकी दोस्ती जो है ना 50 साल हो गए.
50 साल.
अब FTI. And he is worked in a lot of films of mine.
Yeah.
आता है वो करके, इसमें भी है. तो मैंने उसको बोला 50 साल तेरे को नहीं पहचाना, अब जाके तेरे को प्लेस करता है, क्या नहीं करता है. वेरी फाइन
एक्टर था.
He was always a good actor.
He was always a very good actor. That's true.
मैंने कहा यार तू,
we grew up on ये जो है जिंदगी, which used to come on TV.
अभी तू 70 साल क्रॉस कर रहा है तू, और अब तू तेरे को रिकॉग्निशन मिल रहा है.
Yeah. But अच्छा है ना,
Wow,
imagine
very good. He deserved it fully on. And you can see the spark on his face. Walk करता आता.
Right.
मैं तू यार तेरी चाल change हो गई. Yeah, we one day मतलब 2 दिन बात होती रहती मेरी.
That's so.
शुरू से ही, you know, he's my classmate and we were ragged together.
You all were ragged together at FTI.
FTI, yeah, when we went there, तो
हाँ.
ragging तो होती थी ना.
क्या ragging हुई
अबे
आपकी?
तू बता, इसकी मेरी ये और मैं साथ में ragging हुई. कमाल है यार.
Wow. You know, sir, you have always been a very male hero guy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Like,
a
you know,
fact.
but still actresses come and do your films.
Yeah, they do.
You give them that song or
Yeah.
something like
But
that.
don't worry, I give them a hit also.
You give them a hit also, and you give them amazing music.
Music, yeah, गाने हैं ये,
Yeah.
definitely, यार. All
Yeah.
of them, मतलब they worked.
Yeah.
And you know how many films these girls have done with me? See,
Karishma, yeah,
He was about 12, 13 films.
12, 13
Then
films.
Juhi's done 10 films with me.
Wow.
मतलब they were favorite. That time क्या होता था?
हाँ.
मैं जूही को गया सीन करनी है, पिक्चर करनी है. मेरे डेट नहीं होगी, डेट है. मैं करिश्मा को बोलता हूँ, करिश्मा ये करे. तो करिश्मा का I used to, you know, shuffle between them. Yeah.
Right. So today you have Pooja in this, you have Mrinal in this. You see what is this generation of female actors like?
I mean, I worked with them. I have no, I had a very good time with them. Really good time. And Mrinal is she's an artist. She's been working since then.
Yeah.
It's been, you know, they'd come in time. They work the way I want to. That's very important.
Right.
It's very important. The songs also they've done. They said, like Mrinal said, I've never done this as commercially you're doing and all. I said, like, everything you have to do now.
No, sir. You are, you know, when we interview actors, कि कौन से डायरेक्टर के साथ आपको काम करना है, your name is there on the list.
Yeah.
They want to do one David Byrne film in their life.
But it gives that gloss, the look, the work. Even hero मिलता है, scenes मिलते हैं, romance के, बहुत सी चीजें होती है. और definitely climax के आसपास भी twist turns मिलते हैं उनको. That depends on the film.
Depends on the film.
Yeah.
So you're a filmmaker, you're a father of the star. How involved are you in Varun's how involved would you like to be in Varun's career?
See, where his rest of his work to look after him, you know, I'm there for everything. I feel I look into that he's not been cheated or something, you know.
Correct.
I have to take care. You know, this line is how it is. He knows anything comes to him or he says, talk to my dad if he says that. You know, so that where his acting career is there, that he takes his decisions. I want him to take his decisions.
You want him to.
But he wants to even show me a script. Okay, dad, just see the script. You know, should I do it or not? दे देगा पढ़ने के लिए. And then I give my view to him. How many times I've told him don't do it?
Yeah.
He said why?
Why?
I said don't do it.
What does it take for David sir to say कि ये नहीं करो?
I told him because he's my son. I've been frank to him. His career is important.
Yeah. His career is important.
Sometimes he says, Dad, it's a good film. Yeah, why not? There. I said, you want to do it, do it. But you asked me. You deserve much better than this.
You deserve much better than this. You know, Varun, there was a, like Salman's and Govinda's generation, ये लोग acting पे focus कर सकते थे. वरुण के generation के लिए और बहुत headaches है. ये social media, trolling.
What is happening,
so
to them,
कैसे actor focus करेगा?
I swear on you, how they do it, I don't know. ये पता नहीं किसको खुश करना है, क्या हो रहा है, और पता नहीं कौन क्या सोच के बैठा है इसके बारे में.
Yeah. True.
This is happening now today. But I'll tell you.
But what would be your advice? You have seen it all, sir.
Yeah, I've seen it all, and I've seen good. राजेश खन्ना के साथ काम किया मैंने, बच्चन साहब के साथ काम किया, विनोद खन्ना के साथ काम किया, ऋषि कपूर के साथ काम किया. You know, it was a different ball game altogether that time. You know, ये था ही नहीं.
ये सब नहीं था.
अभी मुझे लगता है कि बट अभी बिजनेस भी बढ़ गया है इतना.
बिजनेस भी बढ़ गया है.
ऐसा नहीं कि पिक्चर नहीं चल रही. अब चलिए धुरंधर जैसा बिजनेस तो सोचा ही नहीं.
किसी ने नहीं सोचा.
हिंदी फिल्म भी बनाई ना.
बिल्कुल.
इवन द फिल्म्स, यू नो, और भी बड़ी पिक्चरें चली हैं जो हमारे यहाँ चल रही है. बिजनेस आर, बट दिस इज ऑल पार्ट ऑफ पार्सल.
नाउ यू हैव टू जस्ट लिव विद इट.
यू नो, कुछ कैसा होता है कि अभी देखो, लाइक इफ आई नो यू नो मी, समझे ना. And अचानक I read that, यार, what is they written about me that I've not said anything.
You've not said.
You know, this is you know, I don't know what this is happening. But it's not good.
It's definitely not good. Yeah, it's taking away from his art also, his time also.
Mind ले खराब कर रहे हो.
Yeah, true. Yeah, they have grown up with these mobile phones, so.
मतलब वो जो है, but you have to, you know, digital हो गया, सब कुछ change हो गया, everything, you know, all messages come in one shot.
और or today they have so many followers, they make money also from Instagram. This is the flip side of it.
अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कुछ, it's all together.
Right. So what do you have to say about say धुरंधर's business? हमको पहले सब बोलते थे लंबी पिक्चर नहीं होनी चाहिए, A सर्टिफिकेट नहीं होना चाहिए, इतना वायलेंस नहीं होना चाहिए, इसमें सब है, लेकिन लोग गए कितनी लंबी दो
मैं भी गया हूँ देखने के लिए.
अच्छा, आपने भी देखी.
बट लंबी पिक्चर अगर अच्छी हो ना, जो है ना, बात हो तो चलती. मेरी आंखें थी.
हाँ, which was one of your biggest
hit of that time. एंड उस समय जब आंखें लगी थी, वो टाइम ऐसा था, एक पोस्टर नहीं, बैनर नहीं लगा था. एक बैनर नहीं, नथिंग. कोई टीवी में गाना आ रहा है, कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ 6 शीटर लगा था. मैंने पिक्चर लग रही है. एंड व्हेन इट रिलीज, in between 2 big films, Kshatriya, there was one
Kshatriya
film.
was,
JP Datta's, that was big casting.
Just around that time.
That नहीं, next week उसके बाद मेरी लगी, मेरे बाद लगी रूप की रानी चोरू. Big bloody film.
Which didn't work.
And ये एक बीच में जो आई छोटी,
became a crazy hit.
This is all time hit थी वो.
Right.
कौन था? गोविंदा और चंकी और मंकी.
Govinda or Chunky or Monkey, that's true. So, but somehow y'all had releases back to back. Somehow y'all maintained the relations. You say your next release was Boney Kapoor's. He also worked with you. Y'all all worked with each other. Anil Kapoor also worked with you. How should this generation remember and maintain these relationships?
They are very professional, this generation. Somewhere it is good also.
Okay.
क्योंकि आपकी पिक्चर नहीं चलती तो वो प्रोड्यूसर भी वो दूसरा एक्टर आ जाता है. तो है,
बट रिलेशन,
कट थ्रोट बिजनेस है. अभी तो बिल्कुल है. सो यू हैव टू मेक योर रिलेशंस हैव टू बी गुड, ऑल ऑफ देम. आई फील प्रोड्यूसर जिसके साथ काम किया आपने, you have to be good to them. They are good to you, obviously. They want you again. But I feel you have to be very careful choosing a film. Today, definitely.
Right.
Who's the producer? Very important it is,
Yeah.
It has become very important. So all that,
Who's the producer? Why is that important?
See, he's the guy who's going to take the film
ultimately he was releasing.
मतलब आपको जैसा चाहिए ले जाएगा. Because आज आज पिक्चर जो है ना, हीरो हिलाता है. You have to believe that. प्रोजेक्ट हीरो के हाथ में होता है.
बिल्कुल.
आज प्रोजेक्ट नहीं बोलेगा हीरो नहीं होगा, पहले प्रोड्यूसर हीरो ही देखेगा, या एक डायरेक्टर जो है हीरो की ट्यूनिंग है वो लेके जाएगा तो पिक्चर बनेगी. कोई भी प्रोड्यूसर करेगा, आई हैव अ हीरो विद मी, a producer will come, यार मैं कर लेता हूँ यार.
Correct.
So all that setup का होता है.
Right. So you never followed a trend कि ये genre चल रहा है एक्शन तो मैं एक्शन बनाता हूँ. You always made your specific, like ये जवानी.
तो क्या है, मैं जब पिक्चरें बना, मेरे गुरु जो थे ना, अभी भी मानता हूँ उनको, मनमोहन देसाई, किंग ऑफ एंटरटेनर. मतलब है ही नहीं, कोई बात ही नहीं कर सकता. तो वही उनसे सीखा मैंने, उनके लिए पिक्चर बनाई मैंने, जो वन ऑफ माय गुड फिल्म्स दैट वाज. तो बोला था, मुझे पूछा क्या है, मैंने पहले ट्राई की थी एक वीक में, कुछ है हल्के. देन आई केम टू माय एंटरटेनमेंट. चलती गाड़ी का बोनट नहीं खोलना.
जो चल रहा है,
cars very running and still you fingering it out, ready for what?
That's true.
Don't follow a trend. I would say to these actors.
Right.
क्या होता है? Yeah, a lot of people follow trends.
ये चल रहा है, यही करते हैं.
राष्ट्रीय की पिक्चर हिट होती है, जो हुई है, जो people have followed the trends. Then you have to see what you're comfortable in making.
Correct. So I have 2 more questions. One is this a David Dhawan film that it's a out and out
David Dhawan,
because we are the audience?
It's a David Dhawan film. But definitely my screenplay has changed in this. And it goes, it's not that एक सीन शुरू हुआ तो आपको लगा ये तो मतलब आपको समझ नहीं आया ये सीन अच्छा है क्या है क्या. चलते चलते फिर जहाँ आया बीच में आया, अच्छा ये सीन. You understand? Surprise elements हैं.
Surprise elements हैं. And we love that and everything in दीवाना मस्ताना. And I remember end में सलमान खान shows up.
वो आ गया.
Yeah. और वो दोनों घोड़े पे आए थे.
No, उसका तो कमाल है वो. That was, I remember I was shooting in Singapore. And अभी ये शूटिंग करनी थी, 2 हीरो ये दोनों थे. And they were not easy, Anil Kapoor and Govinda to handle them. तो मैंने कहा यार अभी लड़की किसके पास जाएगी. मैंने कहा इसके पास जाएगी तो वो बोलेगा यार कि इसके पास जाएगी. And it struck me an idea all of a sudden कि तीसरा लेके जाएगा. From there I put in
and what Salman was looking at that.
सलमान भाई तो वो फोन किया, मैंने कहा सलमान ये करना कर लूंगा यार. He came to Bangalore came and
So this
shot
was
it.
a later thought कि
Later thought.
wow.
But it became difficult and Salman Bhai is always there.
And both your heroes were okay with it कि
Yeah,
सलमान
yeah.
खान लड़की ले जाएगा.
Yeah. It became correct.
It
In
became
the end,
correct.
you know, that whole thing.
And there's a scene also after that Govinda and
Yeah,
all are
both.
laughing like crazy.
Yeah, both of them, you know, then finished up like, you know, and both were very good.
Yeah.
They're superb.
Nice. So this is your experience with them. So this is
Superb.
great. You really had a rapport with them.
Great. It took me time to make that film. Right? That film took little longer, you know, to scenes. Yeah, karte. But
What a big screen experience it was. Vasool, paisa vasool.
yeah.
So lastly, you know, when younger actors are watching, what do you want to tell them?
Younger actors are watching.
Or if they're watching this interview, क्या याद रखना, क्या
मैं उनको
हमेशा
एक ही चीज बोलता हूँ youngsters को, यार थिएटर की इज्जत करो यार.
हाँ
योर फिल्म शुड कम इन द थिएटर. तुम्हारी ऑडियंस जो है थिएटर की ऑडियंस जो पब्लिक आती है ना वही है.
वेरी
तुम
इंपॉर्टेंट.
टीवी में जो है ना ऑन ऑफ करने वाला होता है ना, ये सीन है, ये अभी कल
Forward
जाना
किया,
है, फिर आके इसके आगे देख लूंगा. मतलब यू नो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलता ना. जो आप इतने अच्छे एक्टर्स हैं, दे आर स्टक इनटू टीवी कमिंग आउट. आई सेड आई हैव टोल्ड हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम. आई सेड फिल्म में कर यू चूज सब्जेक्ट, डू इट फॉर फिल्म यार. फिल्म में मेरा यही कि यार रिस्पेक्ट द
बिग स्क्रीन.
70 mm हो गया अभी स्क्रीन, साउंड है, ये है,
डॉल्बी सब
एंड
है.
यू नो रिकग्निशन तो यू नो
लाइक या स्टारडम जो मिलता है वो बिग
वो
स्क्रीन से.
आज राजेश खन्ना है, अमित
Yeah.
जी है, सब
या
यहीं से आए ना.
ट्रू
तो मैं यही बोलता हूँ कि जो है ना
बिग स्क्रीन की इज्जत
बिग
करना.
स्क्रीन के लिए काम करो. एक्टर्स के लिए.
Sir, can't wait to watch this one. Thank you for your
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Big fan always.
And
Thank you.
listen, I've really enjoyed doing this film also.
So sweet.
Took me
That's
time.
really important.
Yeah, we had a good team, and Ramesh ji,
हाँ.
अपना tips companies there. With music was all with
Again,
me.
your old relation.
Yeah, very
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
And बहुत मतलब first film I did with him
First film.
His
you did, and
first
his
film.
first film.
was Coolie Number One.
Oh, Coolie
he
Number
was
One,
there,
you
na, he and
produced
Vashu ji were
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
So
Correct.
he was there. He only signed me. So this again, he's done made a good film. मतलब made me what I did.
What you did.
I don't कि नहीं यार ये कुछ कोई डिस्कशन नहीं.
Right.
मैं एक ही बात, पिक्चर डेविड धवन की है,
Correct.
ये मेरी रहेगी.
हाँ.
So मुझे बनाने
100%.
दो. So that's how I made it. Plus
And-
music and all. The Tips company's music is a
Again,
good
Tips is also
it's
old.
a buffet
It's
for
a
me. All my films are there. I've used songs like
Oh, you
I
have?
can, yeah. Small, all my, you know, all.
आपकी
that's a very-
library है
कोई
उनके
बहुत
पास.
अच्छा, कुछ भी चाहिए मतलब. उन्होंने और गाने भी मुझे सब भेजे कि ये भी हमारे पास है. कहीं कुछ आपको लगता
हाँ.
आ सकता है कुछ है. So it's been great here working.
This is great because you know this is what people have to learn. What you have with Taurani is what you have with everyone.
No, we
These
work
are the-
like that.
Yeah. This is
No, full leverage, everything. Yeah. They know me. This is not my 46th
correct.
film I'm doing. Yeah.
Correct. So like you said, I asked you, it's a David Dhawan film. You said yes. So we are sold.
Yeah, that's it. मैं बोला ना पिक्चर जो है ना वो
आपकी picture,
entertainer.
entertainer. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Nice यार. हाँ.
Same here, sir. Thank you.